Hi, I'm Longster 1970, and today I'm going to be installing a replacement fuel filter on the 2019 Chevy Silverado 2500 High Country with the 6.6 liter diesel engine. So let's get started. This is the part number of the filter that I'm going to be installing, 1353910 I think I got this from Advanced or AutoZone. Fuel filter is located right in front of the fuel tank on the driver's side. That takes a 36 millimeter socket, so I'm going to be doing that, loosen that up, and hopefully not getting bathed in diesel fuel. Hopefully you can see this. It's kind of a hard spot to get into. Go. I got it loose. Let's get that old filter out of there, get the new one in. I gotta replace this O-ring. Tight. And there we go. It's got a O-ring on this end. And let's see what that fluid looks like. It doesn't look bad. I'm going to drain that out and clean up the bottom of this. Here's our old filter, and here's our new replacement filter. I got the bottom cleaned out of this. I'm going to replace this O-ring. Do that. Should just be able to pry it up off of there. Let me put this down. Fingernails or your fingers underneath there, and just pull that up and off. Looks like there was a little drain. If you wanted to, you could take this out, drain all the fluid out of it instead of having a mess like I did. I'm going to get a little bit of diesel fuel, put on here, lube this up a little bit, and then put that back on. Okay, I put a little bit of diesel fuel on there to lube that O-ring up a little bit. Roll that up over top. Got that on there. Put a little bit of diesel fuel on that gasket. Slide that back in there. A little diesel fuel in this upper gasket. Another thing I'm going to do is I'm going to wipe the inside of this out. Oh, I'm sorry. There's an O-ring right here that I got to replace. So let me replace that quick. That's what the other O-ring's for. Got to replace that one. Here's our new O-ring. I'm just gonna please slide that up over there without losing it. Looks like it's on. Yeah, that's on there. Get the filter housing on there. snug that up. I think torque specs are around 18 foot-pounds. So let me snug that up and see if I can get it torqued to that spec. I'm going to be torquing this to 18 foot-pounds. Actually didn't seem like it was tight enough. I'm just going to be snugging this down until it hits bottom. Right there. It should be good. I'm going to start it up then and make sure that it doesn't leak. I got to reset the counter too, so let's go and do that. I go through the menus, go down arrow, then right arrow. Nope, I don't want that. Don't want oil life. Fuel filter. Right arrow from the fuel filter life. And I'm gonna press the check mark. And we have 100% remaining. I'm gonna turn it off. Power cycle it again. Yes, we know. See if it'll start. Let's go check for leaks. No, engine's running. No leaks. Looks like everything's good. Well, that'll do it for replacing the fuel filter and resetting the maintenance counter on the 2019 Chevy Silverado 2500 with the 6.6 liter Duramax engine. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and stay safe. Thanks for watching.